We are pleased to show you the 2014 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.